Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Apple AirTag. Okay guys, just to let you know, you can only factory reset this if you remove it from your account and you want to give it to somebody else, you want to sell it, that's when you can do it. If you found one and if it's reported lost or stolen, this will not work because it's registered to somebody's Apple ID. Okay, so to factory reset it, you have to open it up, press down, give it a little twist. You can remove the cover. And now we're going to take out this battery and put it in 5 times. After the 5th time, it's going to be factory reset. Then we can put the cover back on. So what you want to do is remove the battery, put it back in, and you're going to listen for the chime. There's 1. Take it out. 2, 3, 4, 5. There you guys have it. So now put the cover back on. You can hear the chime is different. Once again, press down, give it a little twist. And that's all to it. Now if you grab your phone, put it next to it, you'll be able to put it in as a new device. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.